Cylindrical fenders are generally used to protect pier walls and hulls from damage. The cylindrical fender is easy to install and maintain. The maximum diameter of cylindrical fenders we can produce is 3.0 meters and the maximum length is 20 meters. There are 3 installation methods for cylindrical fenders. Directly fixed by only one steel chain, which is suitable for smaller cylindrical fenders. Use 1 steel bar and 2 chains, 1 steel frame for relatively large cylindrical fenders. Today Nanjing Deers mainly introduces another special installation method of the cylindrical fender, which is vertical installation. This installation way is mainly suitable for rubber fenders with smaller diameters less than 400 mm. The upper and down of cylindrical fenders are installed with fixing anchors to concrete by 1 steel chain. And 2 steel plans can prevent the chains from wearing fender bodies. Some clients can also install a steel bar in the middle of the cylindrical fenders. This installation method is gradually accepted at some special projects. The proper installation method can also affect the useful lifetime of the marine fender system, and the correct installation can also extend use.